Hello everyone. In last lecture we discussed electrolyte concentration cell with transference. In this with transference, two examples we are studied. First is electrolyte concentration cell with transference reversible to cation, and second is reversible to anion. In this lecture we discuss electrolyte concentration cell without transference. Firstly, what is electrolyte concentration cell without transference? In electrolyte concentration cell without transference, the two cells are same and these two cells are combined with each other, therefore they oppose each other. First cell is platinum. Now that we discuss firstly with example, this is first cell platinum with H2 gas 1 atmospheric pressure and HCl with A1 concentration and AgCl Ag electrode. This is cell first. Second cell is same as it is, only concentration changes, that is A2 concentration, and then these two cells are combined with each other, therefore they oppose each other, and this type of cell is called as concentration cell without transference, because here there is no transference of ions. That's why this is called as electrolyte concentration cell without transference. First cell is this is firstly we discuss with cell reaction. For cell first, cell reaction at anode, oxidation takes place. What is oxidation? Oxidation means loss of electron. Therefore, the reaction is 1 half H2 to gives, this is gas, 1 half H2 to gives H plus ions at aqueous solution plus 1 electron. That's why this is called as oxidation reaction for loss of electron. Okay. Next, at cathode, reduction reaction takes place. Reduction reaction is AgCl. In reduction reaction, AgCl gaining of electron, that is AgCl plus 1 electron gain to gives Ag plus Cl minus. This is called as reduction reaction. Okay. From these two reaction, we can write net cell reaction. This is electrode solid and this is aqueous ions. In this reaction, this electron get cancelled. Okay. Therefore, the reaction becomes net cell reaction is 1 half H2 plus AgCl. This is gas, AgCl to gives Ag plus solid plus H plus Cl minus. H plus aqueous plus Cl minus. Okay. This is net cell reaction for this cell first. In this net cell reaction, here we can write H separate, write down H plus Cl minus, but we all know that here we write down HCl aqueous solution. Here write down therefore net cell reaction is 1 half H2 plus AgCl gives Ag plus, this is gas, solid plus, here we write down HCl with A1 concentration, because here we write down, or we can know that HCl with A1 concentration. Therefore write down A1 HCl of A1 concentration. Okay. Next is, from this net cell reaction, firstly we calculate reaction question, that is Q. Here we write down Q is equal to, for this cell reaction, H2 gas with 1 atmospheric pressure, therefore activity of H2 gas is 1. AgCl, this is, we all know that metal electrode is 1, therefore this value 1, therefore reaction quotient is activity of HCl, or activity of HCl with A1 concentration, therefore we can write reaction quotient is A1. Okay, now this value put up in Nernst equation. What is Nernst equation? E is equal to E naught cell minus 2.303 RT NF log of reaction quotient Q to the base 10, and this value calculated for cell first, therefore write down E1 and E naught 1. Okay, or E cell, here write down E cell, EC1, EC1. Okay, put up the value of Q, and number of electron is 1, therefore the equation becomes EC1 is equal to E naught C1 minus 2.303 RT. N is equal to 1, therefore only write down here F, and log of 10, reaction quotient is A1. Okay, this is equation number first. Put up for this equation number first. Okay, next cell is same as it is same cell, only difference is concentration, therefore here write down A2 concentration, and same as it is we calculate firstly reaction quotient, and then this reaction quotient is put up in Nernst equation. Therefore cell second is for cell second, activity or concentration is A2 concentration. Therefore firstly write down the cell reaction, that is at anode oxidation reaction takes place, therefore reaction becomes 1/2 H2 to give H plus plus 1 electron loss. Here write down gas, and this is aqueous. This is called as oxidation reaction because of loss of electron. Second, at cathode, AgCl plus gain of 1 electron to give Ag plus solid plus Cl minus aqueous. This is reduction reaction. Here we write down reduction reaction. Okay. For these two reaction, firstly write down net cell reaction. What is net cell reaction? This electron get cancelled. We can write down 1/2 H2 plus AgCl to give H plus, or Ag plus, firstly write down Ag plus solid plus H plus Cl minus. This is ions in aqueous solution. Okay, here we write down same as it is HCl. Combining this H plus and Cl minus, we get HCl. Here write down net cell reaction. Net cell reaction is 1/2 H2 gaseous plus AgCl to give Ag plus solid plus HCl aqueous. Okay, from this we can put up reaction question Q. Firstly, write down reaction question. Here we all know that H2 gas is 1 atmospheric pressure and this metal electrode, that is 1, only value becomes activity of HCl. Activity of HCl. And for this reaction, cell second reaction, the activity of HCl or concentration of HCl is A2. Therefore, we can write here only A2. This is the value of reaction question for cell second. Now, this value put up in Nernst equation. What is Nernst equation? E is equal to, or E cell of cell second, EC2 is equal to E naught C2 minus 2.303 RT NF log of activity of HCl, log of 10 reaction quotient Q. This is the equation for Nernst equation. Put up this value. EC2 is equal to, as it is, E naught C2 minus 2.303 RT upon N is equal to 1. Therefore, here write down F only, and log of 10 of activity A2. Okay, EC2. This is equation second. This is equation number second. Now, from these two cells, cell first and cell second, combining we get cell third. Cell third, write down here. What is cell third? First write down for cell, that is platinum. Platinum of H2 gas with HCl with A1 concentration, use AgCl, AgCl, Ag electrode. Okay, this is first cell. Okay, then first cell is combined with second cell, that is second cell is Ag solid, AgCl solid gives HCl with A2 concentration with H2 gas, platinum. Okay, this is cell third. From cell third, firstly we can write overall reaction from equation first and second. The overall reaction becomes 1/2. First write down for this first cell, we can write down equation number first, because from equation number first we put up the values of cell reaction, and equation number second we put up the value of cell reaction for this second cell. Combining these two equation, first equation is 1 half H2 plus AgCl solid sorry here the overall reaction is difference between equation number first and equation number second. Therefore write down 1 half H2 plus AgCl. First write down left side of equation number first and second, AgCl solid minus 1 half H2 gaseous equation plus minus minus AgCl solid, okay, gives Ag solid plus HCl with A1 concentration minus Ag solid minus HCl with A2 concentration, okay. In this equation, this 1 half H2, this plus minus 1 half H2 get cancelled, plus AgCl minus AgCl get cancelled. Therefore write down the equation is this minus HCl is converted in left side, that is plus HCl, and in this equation Ag solid minus plus get cancelled, only two terms are here present, HCl with A1 concentration minus HCl with A2 concentration. Therefore minus HCl with A2 concentration goes on left side, becomes plus HCl. Write down HCl with A2 concentration to give HCl with A1 concentration, okay. This is equation number third. Now we discuss EMF for cell third. Firstly write down here same electrode are present, therefore E naught cell is equal to 0 volt because same electrodes are present. Next is the Nernst equation becomes for cell third is combining or difference between cell first and cell second. Therefore E cell is equal to EC1 minus EC2, okay. Next is put up the value of EC1 and EC2. In EC1 the value of E naught cell is equal to 0 volt and E naught cell of C2 is 0 because here the same electrodes are present, therefore EMF value becomes 0 volt. Therefore write down here EC1 is nothing but minus 2.303 RTF into log of A1 concentration to the base 10 minus in bracket minus 2.303 RTF log of A2 concentration to the base 10, okay. From this equation we put up the value, this minus sign changes to plus, therefore write down 1 upon A1, A1 goes on the denominator, the value is plus, we can write 2.303 RTF log of 1 upon A1 to the base 10, this minus becomes plus 2.303 RTF log of A2 concentration to the base 10. Okay, this is the value of EMF for cell, third value, and from this equation we can write here same terms are 2.303, 2.303. Write down outside of the bracket, therefore equation becomes E cell is equal to 2.303 RTNF, sorry F only because N is equal to 1, F will outside the bracket, in bracket, or combining the value of log of plus sign becomes multiplication. Here we all know that the multiplication rule is log of A1 upon A2 upon A1 to the base 10. This is the equation, fourth equation. This is the equation number 4. Next is for HCl. This is the concentration of HCl. For HCl, we can write HCl reaction is gives H plus Cl minus, and X is equal to 1 put up and Y is equal to 1, that is number of anion and cation. Number of anion cation. Here we write down activity A is equal to X raised to X into Y raised to Y into M raised to X plus Y into gamma raised to X plus Y. Okay. Therefore, write down value A is equal to activity of A is equal to, we all know that X is equal to 1, therefore this value 1 into M raised to 1 plus 1 2 and gamma raised to 1 plus 1 2, and the value or concentration of HCl becomes, here write down concentration of HCl is equal to M into gamma raised to square. Okay, put up this value in this equation, therefore equation becomes, here write down equation is E cell is equal to 2.303 RT F into log of A2 means M2 gamma 2 whole bracket square upon M1 gamma 1 whole bracket square, and this we can write whole bracket square, therefore equation is 2.303 RTF into log of 10 whole bracket square is equal to M2 gamma 2 upon M1 gamma 1 whole bracket square, and these two converted as here, and the equation becomes 2 into this value at 298 Kelvin temperature is 0.0591 into log of M2 into gamma 2 upon M1 into gamma 1. This is equation number 5. This is the equation for electrolyte concentration cell without transference. Okay, thank you.